Are you headed to Acadia looking for an RV park that's centrally located to Bar Harbor and the surrounding coastal communities? I'm going to tell you about the perfect place in this episode of Travels with Delaney. Welcome back, everyone. If this is your first time here at Travels with Delaney, welcome. We're your channel all about RVing and living life to the fullest. So I'm currently in Maine. We spent the last 3 nights near Ellsworth, Maine. So if you're headed up here and you're looking for a campground that has full hookups, but isn't one of those mega resorts, I think I found the perfect location. We have had a great time the last 3 nights here at Forest Ridge Campground near Ellsworth, Maine. Now, we're only about 22 miles from Bar Harbor and just a little over 35 miles from the quaint coastal town of Belfast, Maine. So it makes it a really good location to go out and explore, yet you're kind of away from all the hustle and bustle. So we really love this campground. Not only is this campground small with only currently 60 sites, but it's super quiet. It's set off of a highway on Flockamusen Way, and it's back in the woods. So you get that real Maine feeling when you're camping here, and yet you're close to town if you need to go get supplies. So let's go ahead and let me show you around this charming campground. It looks like a shed, but this is actually where you check in, and honestly, it's the cutest little camp store you're ever gonna see. Let's go inside and let's see if we can't talk to Jeff, the owner. So everyone, this is Jeff, who owns this amazing campground. Jeff, tell us, how did you end up getting this campground?
Well, it's been a lifelong dream of mine for the past 30 years to become a campground owner, and about 12 years ago we made it happen. And we've strived really hard to make this a place that's very people-friendly, and we offer large sites and quiet nights, and we don't tolerate partying whatsoever, and that's the type of camping environment that a lot of folks are looking for.
Yeah, I can attest to that. It has been so quiet and peaceful here at night and nice and dark. We've had great sleeps here at your campground. So how many sites do you actually have here?
We have a total of 60 sites, and we're putting in 10 more. So hopefully by the end of this season, we will have 70 sites total. All but 2 sites are full hookups with water, electric, sewer, cable TV, and Wi-Fi. We do have 2 sites that do not have sewer hookups that we use for pop-ups or small conversion vans.
And what would you say, somebody looking for a site, what's the benefit of staying here at Forest Ridge?
You know, we are centrally located to Acadia National Park. We're only about 14 miles from the National Park entrance. But there's a lot of other unique Down East Maine communities that we can serve, like Deer Isle, Stonington, Belfast, Scudic Point. So you're in a great central location, and you can easily access many unique Down East Maine communities all within like a 60-minute drive.
All right. And roughly what is your season for somebody wanting to stay? When do you open roughly and when do you close?
We open May 1st. We try to open as early as we possibly can, Mother Nature permitting, weather permitting. If we still have snow on May, it might be a little later. And we close on October 15th.
Okay. So, and to find out more about your campsite, you've got the website.
Yeah, you can visit www.forestridgecampground.com. or give us a call, 207-664-7070.
Thank you, Jeff. We really appreciate it. It's been a great stay, and we can't wait to come back and stay with you again.
Excellent. Glad you came, and I wish the weather would have been better for you.
It's still a great time here in Maine.
Okay, thanks so much.
There you have it. Forest Ridge Campground near Ellsworth, Maine. We've absolutely loved our stay here. We highly recommend it, and honestly, we cannot wait to come back. Have you ever stayed here? Have you stayed at another campground in the area? Let me know by dropping a comment down below. And until next time, everyone, safe travels, and we'll see you on down the road. Good night.